Ropes Organization Walcott Foundation Indian Trust Special Coaching to 8th, 9th and 10th Classes Digital Virtual Learning Bangaru Palimani Rugangavar from Pedapanjani by Reddy Pulli Mandal.
Chairman Dhansekaran. Director Drive Sri Lata.
Hi everyone, this is Sugmar from Ropes Organization. In last video we discussed about the fifth question in the exercise 2.2 and that is important. In the sixth one also very important. See, this model is important. Okay, if anything they are giving any set, so how to find this, the minus, intersection, union, like this. So here sixth one, observe carefully. If A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, D is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so from this A minus B, A minus C, A minus D, B minus A, C minus A, D minus A, B minus C, B minus D, C minus B, D minus B they asked. Okay, now here clearly given, see here A, 6, 1, A, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. A is equal to, A they given, A is equal to set of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and B is equal to set of 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 20. And C is equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 they given. And D is equal to set of 5, 10, 15, 20. From this A minus B. Here first one, A minus B is equal to, the elements are belongs to A, not belongs to B. So A minus B we can write directly. See here in the set A, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 is there. And B, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 is there. So if you observe this one, here 4. So here 3 is there. So 3 is not there. And 6 is there here, no 6. Then 6. And 9 is there, so there is no 9 in the set B. And 12 is there, so 12 is there. So we can remove. Next 15 is there, 15 not there in B. 18 is there, 18 not in B. And 21 is there, not in B. So 21. This is A minus B. Next A minus C. A minus C, elements are belongs to A, not belongs to B. C. Okay, now 3 is there, 3 not there in C. And 6 is there, 6 is there. Next here 9 is there, 9 not in C, 9. Next 12 in both is there. Next 15 not in C, then 15. And 18 not there in C. And 16, so 21 not in C, so 21. This is A minus C. And the third one A minus D. Elements are belongs to A, not belongs to D. Here 3 in A is there, not in D. And 6 in A, not in B. And 9 A and 9 not there in D. And 12 not there in D, so 12. Next 15 is there, 15. So here 18 not there in D, 21 not there in D. This is A minus D. Next fourth one, B minus A. So elements are belongs to B, not belongs to A. So here 4 is there in B, not in A. And 8 is there in B, not in A. And 12 is there both. 16 is there, 16 not in A. 20 in B, not in A. So this is. Next fifth one, D minus A. Fifth one, C minus A. in C minus A. Elements are belongs to C, not belongs to A. So here 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16. This is C minus A. Next D minus A. So elements are belongs to D, not belongs to A. So 5, 10, 20. And next one, B minus C. Elements are belongs to B, not belongs to C. So here 4 in both is there, and 8 in both is there, 16 in both is there. So only 20 is not there. So 20 is B minus A. Next here B minus D. Elements are belongs to A, belongs to B, not belongs to D. Here 4 is there, not 4, and 8 is there, not 8 in D. Next here 12 is there, not in D, 12, and 16 is there, not 16, and 20 is there, 20 in both is there. So this is B minus D. Next C minus B. Elements are belong to C, not belongs to B. So here 4 is there, 2 in C is there, not in B, and 4 in both is there, and 6 in B in C is there, not in B, and 10 is in C, not in B, and 12 in both. So 14 in C is there, not in B, 14. Next 16 in both is there. So this is C minus B. Now D minus B. D elements belongs to D, not belongs to B. So 5 not in B, 10 not in B. Next 15 not in B, 20 in both is there. So we can write. So this is the way how to find. See, what is the first set it is giving? The elements are belongs to first set, not belongs to second set. That only we have to observe. Okay na? So like this method, we have to find the minus values. When they are asking minus, so in the sets, we have to find like this. Okay. So if you understand this one, please like and share this video. Thank you everyone.